Okay po, final score. Final score 67-50. Winner by 70 points po. And cementing its place also sa upper 4 po.
Right.
Airport
1,
United.
2, 3. Okay, isa pa. 1, 2, 3. Okay.
Okay. Sino? Sino? Jeff. Siya lang yata. Walang ano. Defensive, sino? Defensive. Kalilong. Okay, Kalilong and of course si Jepox. Okay, tara. Okay, Jeff and Kalilong, congratulations po sa inyo. And of course, I think this win, naglalo nga parang yung hold niya sa upper 4 po ng quarterfinals po is parang nalo. Upper 4, pero still, abang manalo kayo. Sila bang huling assignment siya ba? Oh, sige.
Masama yung dalawa pa ata kami laro.
Oh, sige, okay, Jepox, and of course, ano pa masasabi po natin, sir? Sige po.
May na yung simula.
Oh, malamig pa eh.
Galing di po.
Okay,
Babawi ng-
Kalilong, ikaw?
Second half. Ano lang, consistency lang.
Okay, final games po. What to expect na sa final games po? Sige.
Sana may player.
Oh, oy, nananawagan po siya. Sana may player. Of course, Kalilong, ikaw?
Sana makalaro lahat and walang injured.
Okay, yun. Maganda yun. Sige, sir.
Mga player namin na.
Sige, shoutout po, sir. Sige po. Shoutout.
Shoutout kay Commander muna na.
Commander. Sige, kay Commander Carmona. Ikaw naman, sir.
Shoutout din sa girlfriend ko.
Sa Commander mo rin.
Yun.
Sige.
Thank you.
Yeah, thank you very much po. Ayan, congratulations po. Airport United winning the game. And see you again for tomorrow's basketball action. Thank you very much.